The opening up and the reopening of the Chinese economy is a strong positive lever for 2023. All the indications are that this recalibration in the COVID strategy is widely welcomed, and it is going to contribute to a much more stable economic growth trajectory going forward. Very important to design measures to stimulate the private sector. As you know, the private sector is really the core driver of economic growth, of investment, of job creation, and therefore stimulating consumption should be at the heart of that strategy. It's really households and small businesses that have suffered the most during that initial period.